Hi friends, I am Disha. Welcome to my channel TV Craft. Friends, always stay updated with my new videos. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to make paper house. So let's get started. First take craft paper. Then fold it into a rectangle. Now open it and fold it till the middle line. Now same way do at the other side. Flip it and fold it. Now fold one side till the middle line. Now open two sides as shown in the video. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now our house is almost ready. Now take sketch pen and draw house and draw door and windows. Look how beautiful it looks, and a paper house is ready. You can make house in different colors. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.